Mina personally ukuthi uba le-dentist sotsha lakho ne
Yeah.
sa o itsho ra reng hantlentle wena o etsa eng o ka ba jwetsang dintwana tse tlang le makgopane ka fela o ka reng ka gore manje o be multitasker
Mfethu impilo ifuna ukuthi uyibheke ngayo yonke indlela. You must never undermine anyone's job.
Eish.
Just because maybe you're a professional or it does not mean you can only do that.
Yes, my friend.
Multiple ways of making a living.
Yes, my friend.
That's what I can say to you.
Yeah. So far, because yini vele boluku tuna le job oyithuna wathola ne yini ama plans yini idea behind wathola because usayicala
Yeah, you know, when you understand economics, how do you, what do you call this? Recycle the economy. The place in the red meat, specialize in red meat, specialize in chicken. And one thing is the concept of support.
The concept of support.
One Lamb does not take it as a competition, but a way to
Yes. Yes, my brother. Yes.
So when you want the best shisanya, red meat, make this meat. When you want the best chicken,
around the corner. Yes, so far wena phela you are the younger one yabona odisho di in just kakenya bukapo to plane Francis.
what's in planning for all these things that I'm doing.
Yes.
No, this place in fact is going to be a place of choice. You see, when you need a place to chill, when you need a place to eat, when you need a place to vibe, that's the most important thing. Providing that environment that is more safe, provides you with that hospitality kind of vibe. Yeah, but there's going to be more. We've officially launched the place now in the first week of December.
Yeah.